The following is historically accurate and is a fiction.
Ta-da! Oh, boy, that's a loud.
Oh,
Hi, pal.
how are you?
Oh, I'm horrible. What is that?
Congratulations, sir. Your
Cake.
is here.
Where's my drink?
What drink?
My drink? My Diet Dr. Don't tell me you forgot my drink!
But you didn't order any.
How am I supposed to eat this cake without my drink? You call yourself a delivery boy? Well, I ain't buying!
I'm sorry.
What did you say?
I told you I ain't paying for that!
Well, this one's on you!
People think I'm insane because I am drowning all the time.
This is
Glass.
this is
Art! Jesse! 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 Jesse, wake up! Jesse!
Dr. Hunter. Wait!
You're goddamn right.
But you can call me Tulio. As far as we know,
Jesse!
is the last alpha male of his kind. And recently we found a way to bring me and him together to feed.
Hi there, welcome
hello.
to the Infinity Saga. I am Hilda.
Okay.
And you're gonna be my super psychic. I'm a super hero.
Hi, Ray.
Hello, Burr.
Okay. And this is Finger.
Walter.
How are you speaking telepathically anyway?
Walter.
Nice chat, big man.
Tell us your super story. Super bomb.
Okay.
I fear no man, but
When I get scared,
I,
blow the multiverse up.
Hence the name.
Excuse me, I am trying to cook, please.
Oh, I'm sorry, crackhead. I'm trying to escape.
Did you just call me a crackhead? For the record, I am not a jewel. I am pet shop. And you know what?
What?
I peep 426 32226. Oh. Ratio.
This is your destiny. Whatever you do, do not make a sound. I'm Jason from the TOM. That's turkey off the menu. You've just been recruited for an top secret. Snap out of it. Colonel! You gave me my mission, told me I needed to save all of Turkey. We're going back in. That's right. No, that's left.
silence!
We're going back in time to the first time to get turkey on the menu.
Oh, I know I'm not angry, but I used to be an angry bird too.
I was eating waffles, vicious, beak, all pretty delicious. Now I'm malicious. I had no women, all I was two. Then they got a whole crowd to fill my shoe. That's why I poop on people and I blame it on you.
It was a nasty bird.
I'm in. I will make you turkeys.
contamination complete.
Well, what is it? It's a map, you idiot.
Should we report this?
Control, we have a Kentucky roast turkey in chamber 47.
That is very sauce, Agent.
There's no way I'm going near that thing! Reggie! This is destiny! My destiny has not pizza! Help me! Help me! Please help me!
What's the problem?
Angry birds.
Angry f***ing birds. Greetings from our world. I am a pimp.
What's a pimp?
I don't know what you heard about me.
My name is Leonard, but my friends call me
Excuse me. Have you come to smash all hate or smash mine?
But
I gotta get out of here! Is there anything else I need to know?
Yes, I can't pick my beak. I pee in my sleep. And once in a while, I'm bilingual too. Happy?
Hey, Jesse!
We gotta get out of here!
Get back
See? I'm biling too.
I've got you in my sights.
Greetings. I'm Steve.
Obviously. Now, take us to Turkey.
Destination set.
No! We did it! We went back in time!
If there is a mighty ego, well, how come we don't ever hear him cry?
Maybe we have.
What would a cry sound like? Maybe something like,
Oh, I bet it's more like...
oh, I got one.
I'm kind of imagining it's something more like a...
Now I'm thinking maybe it's a little bit more majestic, like,
Oh, it's like running a nursery. Absolute childcare.
If anything happens to me, it's on your head. Trust me, we're perfectly safe.
Foreshadowing is a narrative device.
It's high noon.
I'm dead! I'm dead! Oh! Whoa! My name's Lightning McQueen. I'm a Pisces.
I'm Jenny. I'm running for president.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
We should attack the fort tonight and get turkeys off them. We cannot risk the safety of the flock. You lack the time to...
Stop them.
Okay, I need
To see you a boss. I need boss.
Nice. Now put your wings around
The lady?
What? It's not like she's gonna bite.
We'll see.
And when you feel the rhythm of your heart, it's like sauce. You fly.
Come on, Blue, you can do it!
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it.
Blue, you're flying!
I'm not
Blind?
I'm
On top of the world.
Remember, the goal is the boulder. Get to the chopper! Fire! Who's next? We need buyers, not stand you fairs.
Oh my God!
Terrence, I got an idea. Do you think you can pull the slingshot back far enough to hit that guy?
What?
Ready? Hey guys, let's get cheese. Ready? Fire! Look at that!
are you seeing what I'm seeing?
Those are some angry birds.
Why won't we die? Blow up the multiverse.
Time to the first Thanksgiving.